this video, we are going to learn about how to deactivate purchase for an item or set of items in HQ. But before proceeding up with the steps, let us understand why we use this purchase deactivation option for the items. So, the reason being, when the business owner does not want to purchase a product or set of product in their shop but keeps the item active and continues to do sales till the stock gets finished, the purchase deactivation process can be done. Also, for the benefits, by deactivating the purchase function of an item, the system will not allow us to do furthermore purchase entries but will allow us to sell the remaining stock products. So now we will learn how to deactivate purchase for a single item. Before that, first we have to check either the option is enabled or not. We will go to Admin, Configurations and Masters. Now, in all item master configurations, you will search purchase and you will have this option of purchase allowed. If it is disabled for the visible field, you can make it enable by using spacebar key and save the configuration. Now, to make the purchase deactivate, we will go to MDM, Item Master Management and Item Master. Now, as you can see, all the items available in the software will be listed here. You will select the item for which you want to make the purchase deactivate and will click on this edit icon. Now, this Item Master will be open. Now, you will click on this outlet specific section and you will have this option of purchase allowed. So to make it disable, you will press spacebar key and remove this checkbox. After that, scroll down the window a bit and click on update. Now, if you want to send this configuration into your outlets, so click on send outlet. This is how you can set the purchase deactivate option for a single item. Now we will see the process of make the purchase disable for the bulk items. For that, we will go to MDM, Item Master Management and Item Master Bulk Update. After that, this window will appear where you can set the purchase deactivation option for the bulk items. So here you can see for all the items the purchase allowed option is visible. You can make it disable as per your convenience. Suppose for sugar bulk I am selecting as no. Similarly, I have selected no for other items as well. Now click on update to update the changes. As you can see, it is showing item data updated successfully. So this is how you can make the purchase deactivate for the set of items or single items at once. Thanks for watching the video.